you need to find a piece of stick, a little rock, birch bark, and just in case you don't have a knife, birch got like little curls. Let me show you. So, and you just take them and you just, you know, gather the curls. Zack. Okay, I can't find a rock here in the woods, so I'm gonna take a little stick, little piece, and we're gonna put it in between it. I put the little stick. It's usually better with a little rock. You just take it apart with your knife, maybe something like this, you know, and you just zack, 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 goes apart, and the rocks fall deeper into the wood, and it stays like this. And now we're gonna take the birch bark, and we are going to stick it in here.